Bifrost Wallet is a self-custody crypto wallet with a strong focus on security, evident in its commitment to third-party security audits. The wallet's code has been independently audited and penetration tested by two well-respected security firms, Cure 53 and FYEO. The Cure 53 security assessment focused on the TOE Labs Bifrost crypto wallet application for both Android and iOS, alongside connected backend API endpoints. This assessment included source code-assisted penetration tests and dedicated auditing efforts. The report indicated that the TOE Labs team incorporated very good security practices from the beginning, keeping the attack surface minimal and well-protected. A later, comprehensive secure code review was completed by FYEO. This assessment reviewed the Bifrost wallet code and reported that no issues were found that severely affected the application's security. The findings of medium, low, and informational severity were identified, and the Bifrost team promptly and effectively rectified all issues, which was then confirmed by the FYEO team. This audit led to several security improvements, including an anti-spam feature for dApps and further hardening of the Android configuration. These audits demonstrate Bifrost Wallet's dedication to maintaining a robust security posture and ensuring the safety of user assets by subjecting its code to external, professional scrutiny.